Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to reglaze a kitchen sink. Even though kitchen sinks I don't always recommend, but there are times where it's beneficial. If you're selling your home, if the sink is mounted underneath the tile and you'd have to remove the tile or the granite in order to get it out. So I'm gonna show you this sink right now, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be spraying it a nice bright shiny white. It's currently like a bone finish and it's got some chips, scratches, just some staining, and we're just gonna go ahead and get this done. They're not gonna have to remove the fixtures. Normally, if they wanted to remove this sink, they would have to bust out this quarter round tile in order to get it out. Very seldom are you able just to drop the sink out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this taken care of, and we're gonna get this looking nice and fresh. First thing I'm gonna do on this sink, it's basically a pressed steel sink. I'm gonna go ahead and do an acid wash on the enamel. Basically an acid wash deep clean to kind of rough it up, scuff it up, give the material that I'm gonna spray a little something to grab onto. Once I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the chips. When you're getting ready to use acid, I actually make sure you've got gloves on, you've got your mask, your respirator, and then I use the Napco Piranha Prep, which is basically a combo acid and cleaner. And then once I brush it on, I'm going to take a scrubbing pad and just scrub all of the acid into the surface, so that way I know I'm getting an even coat all the way around. Then I'm going to let it set up for about another few minutes before I start to rinse it with cold water. Now that it's all dried off, I'm going to take some putty just to kind of fill in that chip. It's also important to note that you must acid wash any steel or cast iron tub before you do a repair. The adhesion of the putty or any other material is very important. Now I'm just going to let this dry. I'm going to sand it down. Then I'm going to go ahead and tape and mask off the area while the putty is drying, just to kind of make the best use of time. And we'll get this all masked off and get it ready for spraying. So now that everything's completely taped and masked off, I went ahead and sprayed a little bit of primer over the repairs. Gonna let that set up and dry a little bit, tack cloth it down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and spray on the first coat. Now I'll spray on 3 coats. Here I'm not gonna be showing the actual spraying, only because I didn't have my GoPro. I was using my handheld, just using my cell phone. And so here's the first full coat. As you can see, looks a lot better. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 more coats and show you guys the final product. Thanks again for watching another video from DP Tubs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.